ट्रैक था, आजकल तो भाई साहब छाए हुए हैं पूरा 2025 इज लाइक अक्षय खन्ना, छावा से लेके धुरंधर. हाउ वाज ही, एक तो मुझे पहले जानना, फिर मैं डी डे पे आता हूँ. हाउ वाज ही एट दैट टाइम एंड उनका काम कैसा लगा आपको?
Akshay, I have always said, there are three actors who I get very scared to have directed. One is Akshay Khanna, the other is Govinda, and the third is Irfan Khan. They are fantastic. Akshay doesn't care about his talent, doesn't care about the fact that, मतलब ज़्यादती है. You know, you should get angry that he's so good. You should get, other actors should get angry because वो बैठता रहता है, चेस खेलता रहता है, सिगरेट पी रहा है, ये कर रहा है, somebody says ready, ready, let's go. कुछ प्रेपरेशन कुछ नहीं है, बूम, काजल च्यूइंग गम खा रही है, कुछ काच इन द मेन सीन, आज तुमने साबित कर लिया कि तुम मेरे खून नहीं हो. अब अमिताभ बच्चन बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पे 2 दिन से एक जोन में है. शाहरुख इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट है सेट पे, ये बूम रेडी बम.
वाओ.
So they are next level. And he was always Akshay is South Bombay ka ladka. I am a South Bombay ka this thing. So we have lot of friends in common who are not from the industry. जो उसकी माँ के जो friends के daughters थे, and we are very close. So we both have our houses in Alibag. So I'm not surprised that what he has achieved is just phenomenal. Yeah, he's a phenomenal actor.
बट डी डे की आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट बिकॉज मैंने मेरे रिव्यू ऑफ धुरंधर में भी डी डे का मेंशन किया था. जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी, आई हैड स्पोकन टू यू आल्सो. चिंटू सर से मैंने तो बहुत लंबी बात की थी. यू आर द फर्स्ट वन टू शो इन दिस डिटेल. इसके पहले हमेशा पाकिस्तान जो होता था उसे बॉर्डर वाली फिल्म्स एंड वैसे में यूज किया जाता. आपने अंदर घुस के दिखाया था. क्या हम कह सकते हैं इरफान खान का जो कैरेक्टर वाज ओरिजिनल धुरंधर?
Irfan Khan was Dhurandhar. I don't think Irfan Khan का character is Dhurandhar.
But वो जो था,
I don't know what is original Dhurandhar. I don't know. I don't know. Lots of people. They told me that you had said it. Lots of other people have said that have compared D-Day or spoken about D-Day in their reviews or whatever. Irfan Khan was playing the role of a sleeper cell. A guy who was there because when we did our research, Ritesh Shah, Suresh and I did their research, they realized that the RAW does that. RAW sends their assets to different parts of the world and वो लोग घुस जाते हैं उसके अंदर and they have to be inside that place and they have to become local. So was he the original? I don't know. I have no idea whether he was the original or what. I'm sure that there were people before that who.
No, आपकी फिल्म में पहली बार दिखाया तो मैं उस हिसाब से.
So I don't know. I mean, Irfan Khan's character was based on several raw assets that we spoke with, who had been placed in Karachi and in Lahore and Islamabad, Rawalpindi. Lots of assets. We got access to the ex-chief of RAW, who gave us a lot of information at that time. कि ऐसा करते, उनका ये ऐसा होता है, वो लोग ऐसे बात करते, ऐसे भी. And he had also been there. He had actually been stationed inside over there for a long time. So we just took a lot of that. Whether it is Nehru and Sardar Patel and whatever, whether it is Irfan, we do a lot of research. हम लोग बहुत research करते हैं.
Of course. तो बातें तो बहुत सारी, चिंटू जी की तो इनफैक्ट बात ही नहीं की है हमने. Again, you have worked with him in couple of films. But ये जो पेन आप जो गानों में डालते हो, ये हर पिक्चर में आप एक बचा के रखते ही हो. सलामे इश्क में भी जो यार अब्बा, आज लोग हार्ट ब्रेक बोलते हैं ना, हार्ट ब्रेक प्लेलिस्ट होता है तो उसमें यार अब्बा तो सबका होता ही है.
अलविदा यार अब्बा.
तो ये क्या है आपका एक?
यार वो I feel that the greatest love songs are actually sad songs.
सही आ रहा अभी recent.
मतलब अगर if you have don't feel pain in love, then it's not love. You should love somebody so much that it really is, you feel pain. You feel the pain. मतलब एक ये है, I read somewhere that Sridevi ma'am was doing Kaate Nahi Kat. And she had fever. And they asked her, how did you get that expression? She said, I was thinking about my father's funeral. I was it affected me so much. She says the pain and love is interconnected. They're interconnected. So I loved that. I thought it was very interesting.
आपको लगा था यार अब्बा इतना बड़ा?
Yeah. It's incredible song. समीर साहब ने क्या लिखा है?
जी उसी पिक्चर में ऑफ कोर्स
आपको पता है अरिजीत सिंह फर्स्ट सॉन्ग?
बैकग्राउंड
Arijit Singh and Shankar Mahadevan will reminds me every day
ओके
about this.
ही वाज गोइंग
Whenever he got him to sing it,
एंड देन
I said I want Kailash.
अरे oh god
He reminds me every time. Arijit reminds me every time. Sir, आपने मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया था.
वाओ बट अब ये सुनना पड़ेगा कभी नेक्स्ट टाइम
I think Shankar has the Arijit Singh version.
डिड यू अप्रोच शाहरुख फॉर सलाम इश्क
No,
कभी भी नहीं
Never.
सलमान वाज ऑलवेज पार्ट ऑफ इट
always.
बट जो अक्षय खन्ना का